Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? Bittorrent holder this time in last 7 days minus 7.58%. They are lost, so it's a very badly fails down. But don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down. So I am 100% sure, my friends, to which tip and which trick, my friend, I will tell you. I will give you guarantee to you will never lost and you will get a very good profit now. My friends, Bitcoin price were fails down because this is the start of month. So in the start of month, every coin were fails down. And the second reason, my friend, was that which I found too in those days. In those days, when a short-term investor are starting selling, so definitely the price is decreasing, and you can see minus 7.58% they are lost. So definitely they were lost it because my friend, I already said it now, my friend, in September 30. So therefore, my friend, you can see here I will get a very good profit in September, my friend, last day of this week, this month, my brother, and absolutely you can see here and last one day plus 1.97% they are also get a profit. So therefore the price is increasing, so currently you will need to hold. If a price will increasing, so you will need to hold, you will need to invest more. Absolutely, if you have any plan to buy more, so buy it. Please, this is a very good point, you will get a profit. And when the price will fails down, so just go now, sell it. I will give you guarantee to you will get a very good profit and be safe from the loss. So therefore, I will notify you, my all you and my subscribers. So if you want to get a profit, just only hold now in those days because the price is very good now. The price is increasing. See you next time. Better and holder, please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.